yo. What is up, Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we're here with the Gully God, Mavado. Yeah, big up yourself, Vado. Long time we don't get a track from you. The last track we get from you was you and J.A. and Dexter Daps. Yeah. So this is one. Mavado, no sorry. It's not a music video. It's a official lyric video. I would have hoping that it would have been a video, because a long time we don't get a video from the Gully God himself. So anyway, we're satisfied with this. Just jump in on and hear what the G say. You don't know. Big up Vado. Let's go.
Gully. From the haters. From the flaws, them me no sorry. Who's the dead in the darkness? Nobody. Only the Father above it that watch over me. Me get a chance and me make life globally. No sorry. Forgive me haters who know have to see me carry on.
Class. Vado. These are the reasons why we need a video from you, bro. Please give me a video for that song, bro. You're not giving much track this year. We need a video, my J. Come on, I Gully God in the man. Wagwan. Hit song in the man. One more hit song, man, definitely.
Gully.
Another hit. Let's go. For me haters, them, Wagwan. For me flaws them, me not sorry, bro. For me flaws them, be don't sorry. Yeah, me not sorry.
For me flaws them, me don't sorry.
Yeah.
Who the dead in the darkness? Nobody. Only the
Who the dead? Who the dead when time in my darkest times? Who the dead when me go through my trials and tribulation? Nobody. No.
Sorry. Who the dead in the darkness? Nobody. Only the Father above the lower and the bends out.
Whoa. Sorry. My hand just click about now. I'm sorry. Like the video, by the way. Like the video now.
For me haters, for me flaws, them me no sorry. Who the dead in the darkness? Nobody. Only the Father above it that watch over me. Me get a chance and me make life globally. No.
Yeah, from them time there, bro. Only the Father above was watching over me. Me get a chance and guess what? Me make life globally. Worldwide, everybody know me. Yeah, globally.
Only the Father above it that watch over me. Me get a chance and me make life globally. No sorry. Forgive me haters who don't have to see me carry on. I wanna pussy make the Gully have to carry on.
Forgive me haters who don't want to see me carry on. I wanna pussy make the Gully have to carry arms. You know? Gully have to carry firearms, you know?
Forgive me haters who don't have to see me carry on. I wanna pussy make the Gully have to carry arms. Where do the greats go when you sleep at night? Upwards we tilting to make future bright. Don't make excuses, we make sacrifice. Try to do good, end up bad, such is life. Them see the way and the dance outside.
Dumboclad, classic Vado, classic Vado. Classic Vado. Pick him up. Yeah.
For me flaws, them me no sorry.
No.
Who the dead in the darkness? Nobody. Only the Father above it that watch over me. Me get a chance and me make life globally. No sorry. Forgive me haters who don't have to see me carry on. I wanna pussy make the Gully have to carry arms. Where do the greats go when you sleep at night? Upwards we tilting to make future bright. Don't make excuses, we make sacrifice.
We don't make excuses, bro. There's no excuses. You know, we're out there make sacrifice. We have to work hard for one. We are putting the hours, them sleepless nights. No excuse, bro. No excuse. Yeah. Not like lazy.
Upwards we tilting to make future bright.
Yeah.
Don't make excuses, we make sacrifice. Try to do good, end up bad, such is life. Them see the lower and the bends outside. Never see the Gully sing friends outside.
All right, them see the glory, them don't know the story, them never know when time a zinc fence it outside. No, them see the Louis where we are here and the Big Ben spark up outside. That alone them say if we can watch and chat, but them never know when man a feed pan dumpling and butter, mackerel and rice and bully babe and rice and beer them something there. You see me? Yeah, them never remember them time there. You know drink water and garbage style. You know them never know them style there. Put little salt in your hand, Miguel. Eat the salt, if you drink some more water, cause you don't know say water go full of belly before. Yeah, you don't know them time there, bro.
Them see the Louis on the bench outside.
Nah.
Never see the gully sing fence outside.
Yeah.
I show the youth so them can fly high. Looking at the mirror, transform my life. I the greatest story. I get a youth on the top of the mountain. I the greatest story. Them love show the bad side, the narratives now have no real love for it.
That's true, man. Them love show the bad side. As soon as something negative happen, them quick for running it. But something positive, you hard to find the ones and ones that running it, bro. Yeah, cause negativity said that that's why people love fuckery. People go viral for all the wrong reasons, man.
Them love show the bad side, the narratives now have no real love for it. But my life I for sure get a youth of it, create them glory.
Yeah. So I must say, yo, if me can do it, Ghetto Youth can do it too, cause I've been there. Remember, see, I get to me a forward from. So if me can make it out, you can make it out to never give up. Hard record and sacrifice, man.
But my life I for sure get a youth of it, create them glory. Let them judge, but not know it. For me flaws, let me do sorry. Who did it in the darkness? Nobody. Only the Father above it that watch over me. Me get a chance, make life globally. No sorry. Forgive me haters when I have to see me carry on. I wanna fast to make you go live to carry on. Name gone not the great book. Look for me, one know or the great look. Never switch, never get shaky if it paper.
My name gone not the great book. Look for me if you want to know how great look. I am great. I am the great. Me bad. Me a great. So look for me if you want to know how great look. Just watch the journey. You know?
Look for me, one know or the great look. Never switch, never get shaky if it paper.
Never switch up, never sell out. Never get shaky if it paper. Never put body pan counter. You know? Yeah. When we sit down, we can sit down comfortable. Yeah, but in a bun way. You know a thing go? Yeah. When we chuck off in a sea water, we can swim comfortable. We're not taking water. You know a thing go? Yeah. That's right there. No boy.
Look for me, one know or the great look. Never switch, never get shaky if it paper. Never sell out, never run out as a cheater. Life is a movie, watch piece of the trailer, doing it.
Life is a movie, watch piece of the trailer, dog. Just watch it. Just don't watch the snippet.
Sell out, never run out as a cheater. Life is a movie, watch piece of the trailer, doing it. Big mama boy, I no failure. Love for me fans and me family, me care for.
R.I.P. to Vado, mommy. Mommy been proud. Mommy did proud. Mommy was proud. Mommy is looking down from heaven right now, looking down at her son. Proud, David Brooks. She's proud of you, didn't she? You see me? You did mommy proud, bro. Cause mommy lived comfortable before she passed. You know? Yeah.
Doing it, big mama boy, I no failure. Love for me fans and me family, me care for. Misunderstood by most, me no cater. This in the paper, me.
Misunderstood by most. Me no cater. Me no care. Me no care. Yeah, not because I'm misunderstood, that doesn't mean I'm wrong. You know?
My family me care for, misunderstood by most, me no cater. This in the paper, me no sorry. Who did it in the darkness? Nobody. Only the Father above it that watch over me. Me get a chance, I will make life globally. No sorry. Forgive me haters when I have to see me carry on. As someone who make the gully have to carry on. Yeah.
Oh, hold on there, sir. Because we just see a Mineral Boss a while ago. Mineral Boss pass, R.I.P. Mineral.
Yeah.
Mineral there. Just see Mineral there, sir.
Yeah.
Mineral there. R.I.P. Mineral. Obviously, the G did close with Mineral, you know. Now a power. Mineral produces? Oh, Mansion Record. Okay. Yo, big up the Gully God, bro. Oh, there's stuff here. Okay. If you don't done it. Oh, man, nothing with you. If you're not showing no progress, man, figure through life without no stress. Other video I show now. So obviously, that was a Mineral Bass. I think that was Mineral Bass last project with Vado when do. You see me? Cheers Cross. Mineral RIP. Yeah. Vado, big song, bro. Big song. Don't sorry. Yo, Vado. We get a piece of the snippet of the video in the last part this about. I would have loved to see a video for this song, bro. Cause this song is a masterpiece, G. This song is a masterpiece, bro. Magnificent. You see me? Message, man saying, don't sorry, bro. It's not sorry, fam. You see me? Yo, big up Vado, yo. Big up my Vado. Vado, we need to see some more work from you, G. You see me? We need to see some more work from you. Remember, you have fans out there, bro. We want new project from Vado, bro. You see me? Yeah, so bad song still, bad song. Big up the fans, them wanna be proud of how you see me. You see me? Right now, you don't know. Vado is back. Vado drop song, so let's get Vado back out there dropping songs and doing what Vado does. Hit songs. Hits on top of hits. You don't know. Bad song. Yeah, bad song. I like it. This is what I'm going to leave the If you enjoyed the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. You know you don't like the video yet? You don't like the video. It's only too wicked. But it's peace.